Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Edu Information Knowledge is Life. In previous video we have seen midpoint circle drawing algorithm. Now we are going to see Bresenham circle drawing algorithm. Before starting, let us understand what is circle. So circle is a set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a given point called center of circle. For drawing circle there are two algorithms, midpoint circle drawing algorithm and Bresenham circle drawing algorithm. So let us consider this is the center of that circle and we have that radius or diameter of that circle which is horizontal x-axis and vertical with y-axis. Now we are drawing that circle. After that we will divide whole circle into 8 parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Each are of having angle of 45 degree. Now consider we are having 1 pixel for 1 octet. So they are having dimensions of plus plus and minus minus of x and y respectively as per their location on which octant or quadrant they are present. This part of x-axis is present with positive values. This part of y-axis is present with negative values. This part of x-axis is present with negative values of x-axis and this part is present with positive values of y-axis. So whatever the pixels which are present on this perimeter all are having positive x values and positive y values. So in this way all the other pixels which are present over there are having their dimensions and signs. So this is all about 8 symmetry property of circle. Now actually we are going to see Bresenham circle drawing algorithm in which the procedure part comes with given part of that algorithm. So in which it is having center of a circle with dimensions x0, y0 and radius of circle r. So this is the center of that circle, this is the radius of that circle and these points for other octants are generated using 8 symmetry property. Now step 1. Assign the starting point coordinates x0, y0 as x0 is equal to 0 and y0 is equal to r. So on circle the brown point will be the first point with coordinate values 0 and r. In step 2, we need to calculate our initial decision parameter P0 and that P0 is calculated with the help of 3 minus 2 into r. So this is the initial decision parameter. Now in step 3, we need to suppose the current point is xk, yk and the next point which is xk plus 1 and yk plus 1 and we need to find the next point of the first octant depending on the value of decision parameter pk. So on the basis of that decision parameter, two cases are there. First case, if the decision parameter is less than 0 then xk plus 1 is equal to xk plus 1 and yk plus 1 is equal to yk and the new decision parameter is calculated with initial decision parameter plus 4 into xk plus 1 plus 6. And in second case, if pk is greater than equal to 0, xk plus 1 is equal to xk plus 1, yk plus 1 is equal to yk minus 1 and the new decision parameter is calculated with the help of pk plus 4 into bracket xk plus 1 minus yk plus 1 plus 10. In next step, step 4, if the given center point x0, y0 is not 0, 0, then do the following and plot the points. So we need to find out x plot by xc plus x0 and y plot with the help of yc plus y0. Here xc and yc denotes the current value of x and y coordinate values. Now step 5. Keep repeating step 3 and step 4 until we will be having x plot which is greater than equal to y plot. In step 6, we will generate all the points of first octant and to find out the points of other 7 octant, we need to follow our 8 symmetry property of circle. Thank you. I hope you understood the Bresenham circle drawing algorithm.